Welcome back to Car Garage, where speed meets passion and design meets perfection. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This isn't just another Ferrari. It's the next chapter in Maranello's legacy, redefining what's possible in the world of performance, technology, and luxury. So buckle up, because this beast is built to blow your mind. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Ferrari F80 looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Every line, every curve, and every vent has a purpose: aerodynamic mastery in motion. Ferrari has taken inspiration from Formula One design cues, integrating active aerodynamics that automatically adjust for maximum downforce or minimal drag, depending on speed and driving mode. The front features ultra-slim laser headlights that merge seamlessly into the carbon fiber bodywork, giving the car a razor-sharp appearance. The massive front splitter and sculpted side channels direct airflow efficiently, cooling the hybrid powertrain and enhancing cornering stability. The rear end is an absolute showstopper, a futuristic diffuser setup and a full-width light bar that glows like molten lava at night. The F80 sits lower, wider, and meaner than any Ferrari before it, and the new active rear wing deploys automatically to keep the car glued to the tarmac. With its lightweight, carbon monocoque chassis and the extensive use of titanium and graphene-infused materials, the F80 weighs just under 3,000 pounds, giving it the perfect balance between agility and stability. Moving inside, the 2026 Ferrari F80 redefines luxury in a race-inspired cockpit. Ferrari has stripped away unnecessary distractions while elevating every tactile experience. The cabin is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber and fine Italian leather, offering a sense of exclusivity and craftsmanship that's unmistakably Ferrari. The seats are ultra-lightweight, racing buckets with adaptive bolsters that automatically adjust to your body during cornering. The steering wheel now integrates all major driving controls, including the mode selector, indicators, and suspension settings, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One heritage. The instrument cluster is a fully digital 3D display that adapts based on driving mode. From a clean, minimalist layout in comfort mode to a full telemetry and performance data view in track mode. A small central touchscreen provides navigation and entertainment, though true enthusiasts will appreciate how analog the driving experience still feels. Ferrari has clearly aimed for a driver-first cockpit. Everything is focused, tight, and purposeful. Even the passenger gets a digital readout displaying speed, G-forces, and performance stats, making every ride feel like an event. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the F80 truly becomes legendary. Under the hood, Ferrari has introduced a twin-turbo V8 hybrid system, producing a jaw-dropping combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. The hybrid unit features advanced electric motors that deliver instant torque to the front wheels, creating an intelligent all-wheel drive setup. The acceleration is nothing short of brutal. 0 to 60 mph in just 2.0 seconds flat, making it one of the quickest production cars ever made. The top speed, over 250 mph. Ferrari's engineers work tirelessly to make sure the hybrid system doesn't just add power, it enhances handling, braking, and responsiveness. The advanced torque vectoring and adaptive suspension ensure precision at every turn, while the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts faster than ever. The car can even run silently in all-electric mode for short distances, a subtle nod to efficiency without compromising the thrill. Ferrari has balanced raw power with intelligence, creating a car that feels alive under your fingertips. The sound, too, is something special on a hybrid. Symphony of mechanical growl and futuristic, that's pure Ferrari magic. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start around $3 million, making it one of the most expensive hypercars in the world. But with that price tag, you're buying a piece of history, limited production, bespoke customization options, and a driving experience that few will ever know. Each car will be hand-built at Ferrari's Maranello facility, and buyers will have the opportunity to personalize every detail, from interior stitching to custom paint finishes.
In short, the 2026
Ferrari F80 isn't just a car. It's a statement of speed, art, and innovation. It represents Ferrari's fearless leap into the future while staying true to its racing roots. From its breathtaking design and luxurious interior to its record-shattering performance. The F80 redefines what it means to drive a Ferrari. Thanks for watching Car Garage. If you loved this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more upcoming hypercar reviews, and drop a comment below telling us which car you want to see next. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion alive, because here at Car Garage, we don't just review cars, we celebrate legends.